Welcome, in front of me is a Nokia G60 and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications, so just swipe down, extend the list of toggles, and somewhere between those toggles you should see toggle for portable hotspot. Now if it's not here, which could be the case, you can tap on the pencil and hopefully you can find it. Oh, there we go, right here. So it's called hotspot instead of portable hotspot. You can just grab it, drag it over to the top, go back, and now it should be on one of the pages, which, there we go. Once you see the toggle, hold it, at least the first time around. And the reason you want to hold it is because by holding it, it will take you to settings where you most likely want to either check or change the hotspot password, which is randomly generated. Now this one has already been changed. As you can see, it is set to something much too simple for random generation, but you can remove it, whatever the password is for you, and set up your own. And that's really all I would recommend changing. Rest of them are, them meaning settings, are preferential. So you can change the name, the IP band, though to clarify this, some of the things might make the hotspot unusable for you. If you don't know what some of the settings do, I would probably recommend leaving them the way they are. So as an example, AP band would be one of the primary ones, so it's set to 2.4, but we also have an option for 5 gigahertz, which will be better, but not every device will support it. Meaning every device, most of the devices that were released not too long ago, in like last couple of years, will work probably without a problem with this, but older devices might not. So if you change this and your phone doesn't support it, or device that you're trying to connect to this hotspot with, then you just simply won't see the hotspot. That's why, like I said, I recommend keeping things the way they are if you don't know what those things do. Anyway, once you change the password, you can close this off, and whenever you want to utilize your hotspot, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and as you can see, it's now enabled and you can connect to your hotspot. There was also a setting in there that would turn off the hotspot automatically when it's not being used for a couple minutes. I believe it's going to be like 5 or 10 minutes. So I would also recommend keeping that on, just because once you stop using it and forget to turn it off, the device will do it for you. Otherwise, hotspot would be running indefinitely in the background and consuming more of your battery life for no reason. And obviously you can also turn it off yourself by finding the toggle, tapping on it, and there we go, it's now off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.